go back here. Just got some intel. Some older gentleman was catching some crappie back here. He said he caught about like 40 of them. So the cool thing about it is that he's a bait maker himself too. There's a lot of us out here that make our own baits and go fishing with our own baits. He gave me a couple of his baits. I don't know if I'll use them, but I'll show them to you guys. We just haven't been back here in a couple years. I've been fishing everywhere today, and it seems that everybody decided to go out fishing. It's pretty much crowded everywhere. So I'm gonna give it a try back here. I got this little spot. Produces fish all the time, guys. All right, here goes the first cast. I got one. You got something. I got a rock. You guys believe this? I cooked a rock. I got something, guys. Ooh, something decent. You got a little largemouth. Look at that. In this little back creek. And this guy is cold. Look at that. I barely had him hooked. Okay, this would be the perfect fish to be in your fish tank. Well, maybe a little bit smaller. Look at that. Little, beautiful largie down here. Maybe there's more. Let's keep on trying. There you go. Got another one, guys. About the same size. Well, I'm not gonna let you put a hook in me. I got pliers this time, buddy. There we go. Another little beautiful largemouth. There's a lot of little dinks down here. We should do a fish rescue. I think we're gonna do that on the next video. We're gonna come down here, take all these little ones and put them on the main lake so they can have better future growing. Look at him, he don't even know where he's going. That's numero 2. And I was getting skunked today, guys. I ain't not gonna lie, this is like the 5th spot. You're like the tiniest small. No, you're not even small. You're a... I should take you home. Well, this is the type of size that you need in a tank, guys. You want to raise one? Be like this little guy. It'd be a perfect tank size. Damn, this one's even bigger. Look at that. This is the size of the one I have at home. Look at that. Beautiful largemouth. I never knew there was this type of quality fish in this little creek. Wow. Alright, let's let this guy go, guys. It's like number 4, 5 down there. I got 2 little ones down there. One over here is 3. That's 4. I need one more, and I lost that crappie. Got a big one, guys. Another quality size one. Look at that. That's number 5. Look at that. Another decent size one. I bet you all these are falling off from the other side. So yeah, I think we're gonna make a rescue video. Come back out here and try to catch these guys and put them back in the bigger pond, so our kids have a better, so they can have a lot of fishing. There we go. That's why I haven't showed my face, guys. I forgot my hat. It was hot this afternoon, but now it's starting to warm up. But look at nice quality fish. They're very healthy. I'm assuming there's a lot of bait down here, but we're gonna let him go and hopefully catch another one. Woo, little show. Well, guys, I ran out of time. I thought today was a pretty good day of fishing. I went to 3 other places before I decided to come here to the little spillway, but I wasn't successful with those other places. So hey, I decided to come back here where it all started. And if you like this type of content, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. And like always, guys, I will see you guys next week, and have a good weekend.